good morning, good afternoon. It's good afternoon. Maayong hapon in Visaya and Cebuano. Maayong hapon. So, I'm going to see a show.
Magadan Umaga.
This is my other channel, you know. I'm going to see a track show, and this would be my first time watching the show. And of course, my husband is gonna be with me, and his son and friend. I'll show you guys later. Bye. Middle of the road. We're walking. It's full of sand here. Where we go? Which way, left or right? I guess right. Did ma ko ni Dudong. Back here in the car, and the show was good. That was not what I expecting, and we paid $15 each, and yeah, it was fun. But then I think we're gonna go back here. We're gonna go and buy some like alcohol. Alright guys, my husband said that we don't have to go back here. It's so hot outside, and yeah, I think I will end this my video here. So I hope you guys wanna watch it, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Alright, bye. Don't forget to leave a comment, guys. Alright.